Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to Love Affair. We are going to react to the song Everlasting Love. For me, it was difficult to make out whether Love Affair was the song or Everlasting Love. But I think the way it's given, Everlasting Love is the title of the song, and the artists are Love Affair. Let's get started with our first time single take honest reaction to this one.
Hearts gone astray, deep in hurt when they go. I went away just when you need me so. You won't regret, I've come back begging you. Won't you forget, welcome love we once knew. Open up your eyes, then you realize, here I stand with my everlasting love. Need you by my side, girl, to be my bride. You'll never be denied everlasting love. From the very start, open up your heart, feel that you fall of everlasting love. Need love to last forever. Need love to last forever. Where life really flows, no one really knows, till someone's there to show the way to lasting love. Like the sun it shines, endlessly it shines. You always will be mine, if eternal love. Whenever love went wrong, ours would still be strong. Would have our very own everlasting love. Need love to last forever. Need love to last forever. Open up your eyes, then you realize, here I stand with my everlasting love. Need you by my side, girl, to be my bride. You'll never be denied everlasting love. From the very start, open up your heart, feel that you fall everlasting love. Whenever love went wrong, I would still be strong.
Oh, there are over 1 million love songs like this one, and clearly they don't work at all for people in that part of the world where
They
it's
didn't work.
created, because 1 out of 2 relationship ends in a breakup, and 1 out of 2 marriages more or less ends in a divorce. So clearly this 1+ million love songs that have been created, it's sung in such a heartless manner that it just doesn't work for people. If you want to sing a love song, you have to sing it with a lot of heart and soul, and for some reason this song just lacked it. It was jubilant, it was it was foot tapping music. It was like a foot tapping love song. I could dance to it, I could see myself dancing to it, and possibly Kirti also dancing to it with me, but or even
Or even other
Cal
people,
Penn, Sir Elton John, and etc.
other
etc.
interests.
Yeah, Will Smith, who knows? Maybe he'll
Will
come out of the
Smith, who
closet
knows?
tomorrow. So
Bruce Willis is on there.
Denzel Washington, anytime, I'm ready. If he comes out of the closet. But yeah, I mean this kind of song just lacks heart. It
Why
sounds,
were they in the closet
it sounds
anyway,
jubilant,
Sabi?
it sounds cheerful, but it just doesn't work for people. I mean, the statistics clearly prove it. 1+ million songs. I mean, I'm sure there are more than 2 million love songs created in US and UK alone. But the statistics of those two countries as far as marriages go clearly shows that people just don't care a damn about these songs. And the people who make it also don't care a damn, because they, in their real life, they don't live that. They don't live like the way this song is sung. So, the lyrics go in this song rather. So it just doesn't work for me. Songs like that, heartless and cold, they don't know what love means, these guys. People who make music like this have no clue what love really means. And it shows. It shows if you look at their personal life, if you look at their professional life, if you look at their catalog, and you listen to it, you'll be bored to death. If you're someone who was in love with love and in love with a special someone, you would just fall out of love in no time listening to music like this. It's just a heartless thing, It may not. None of you who come to this reaction video might possibly get what I'm saying. It's just like Christmas, and you'll watch 101 movies revolving around Christmas and the holiday season on Hallmark and several other channels, even OWN on demand, HBO on demand, OWN on demand, so many networks. 101 movies is the least you will probably get to see if you have the time. And the Kirti just wants to show you all a painting that she's done.
I just am too distracted by my own painting. Can't keep my eyes off it.
Yeah.
I just framed it.
Yeah.
I'll keep it with me now.
Okay, you'll keep it to show it in the next video.
Yeah.
Maybe this
I
is
hope
not
you
the
can
suitable
see.
one. So you'll possibly watch 101 movies related to Christmas. But I can almost guarantee you, the people who make those movies, the people who act in those movies, lead miserable personal lives. Because not even in a single movie that I've watched this year so far, and I've already crossed 40 Christmas movies. And Christmas is not even here yet, unless it's celebrated on a different day in America. So the sad part is not a single movie I've watched actually shows Jesus. Whether baby Jesus or adult Jesus doesn't talk about Jesus at all. It's a shameful celebration in the West, and specifically in America. It's a shameful celebration of Christmas. The same way, this is a shameful celebration of love, this song. These artists who make songs like these, and I'm not only talking about these guys, don't even know their name. That's how miserable they were. So the fact is that, these people who make it, if you see their personal lives, they've been divorced a zillion times. They have a zillion kids with different mothers and fathers. Who wants to listen to them talk about love? In reality, who wants to listen to their CRAP? Because they have no clue about love. They don't even know the definition of love. For them, love is this flattering, flirting, flying emotion, if you want to call it that. Love is not that. Love is choosing to spend time with someone or something. It's about choosing. It's a choice that you make of spending time with someone or something. Kirti doesn't spend time with her kids and me, or with me. I know that she doesn't love me anymore, or at least in those days. Maybe something else is on her mind. She loves someone else. Maybe Cal Penn, maybe Denzel Washington, maybe...
They could be women as well.
Maybe Priyanka Chopra.
I don't like her. But anyway, yeah, could be a wild choice.
Who do you want to choose? Meryl Streep?
I would choose
Please
myself.
please no more crying. I would be crying like Meryl Streep then.
No. I would choose myself. I like myself so much. I'm too self-obsessed, Lately, I've been just too self-obsessed. And this painting that I was looking at, I made it. And I just can't get over it. So you can say that's
Maybe
my
want to
kind of
hold it
love.
higher.
Yeah, is it see?
Put it clearly.
Is it
I'll
see?
hold it up for you.
Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you. See, hey. My painting, it's not going anywhere. It's just the frame that will be broken.
You just want to show this. Don't you want to show the hundreds of others?
There are many more.
Okay.
But this was distracting me because I framed it yesterday and it's just kept in a place where it keeps on getting my attention. I'm looking at all the details that I did for an everlasting
You want to
time
show
that I
that
did.
one of mine? That one. Could you give the
The
small
mini
one?
one, please.
Yeah. All these are on sale on Etsy.
Yeah, really. Here. Thank you.
I can see by the way this is painted that the heart and soul of the artist is in it. Heart and soul. You know, that's the difference between artists like these and people who really are passionate about what they do. That's it for this one.
Everlasting
Enough of the
love.
promotions. And Cal Penn and Denzel Washington, if you're listening, and if you're out of the closet, both of you.
Why do they live in the closet in the first place?
Oh, it's just
fail
a
to
phrase.
understand that.
Just a phrase. When they come out of the closet,
Why
means
have you been living
that
in
they
the
declare
closet?
that they've been gay all along.
I don't like that closet thing. I don't like the closet part. You were there, out there, all over
Bruce
the place.
Willis?
Bruce Willis, I'm thinking maybe he can.
You, Bruce
he can
Willis?
surprise. He can surprise.
Or me?
I'm not interested in anybody's happy. I'm telling you, I'm just self-obsessed.
The way Bruce Willis acts in movies these days, whether it's
Those who liked him are
whether
running
it's
away.
Deadlock or any other movie, I don't even remember the names of his movies. There's so many that have
No,
come
yeah.
in the last couple of years. The way that Bruce Willis acts, I would definitely think it's time he comes out of the closet.
Okay. This was requested by our patron Joseph. And Joseph, if you're wondering what is happening in this reaction, Everlasting Love, Savio said he spoke his mind, whatever he felt about the song.
No, we are always honest.
Yeah, we are
But
always
we don't care about what you all think about our honesty. We are here to do a job and we are passionate about our honesty and our skills of reacting to music. There's no one else like us on YouTube. And we are I'm extremely proud of the way I am when I react to music.
And
I don't like this song, I don't like it.
Do you know,
It's
this
a
man is
heartless.
saying he went away once. I'm saying he's gonna go away many more times. He's just singing the song to fool around. That's all it is. He says right in the beginning that he went away once, but next time it won't happen. I say once a cheater, always a cheater. Right, Savio?
Right.
Yes.